If you are also tired of hearing about the flow state and the Pomodoro method, here are 3 weird ways to study when you have zero motivation. Number 1 is to live stream yourself studying. As weird as it may sound, it still engages either your phone or your laptop for the streaming purpose. That way you can't use one of your devices. It also gives you a sense of responsibility and accountability even if nobody is watching. Just setting up a camera doesn't let you slack off. Trust me, I know. Just make sure you're not scrolling reels on your laptop as well. Then you're beyond saving. Number 2 is to be around a nerd or at least someone who is locked in. Our brain likes to scroll reels or play games over studying because it is more convenient and there is no immediate consequence. But we humans are proud creatures. If my roommate is studying for 10 hours every single day, suddenly scrolling reels is a very demeaning task to my own self-respect. Being surrounded by hardworking people was the secret behind me learning to work extremely long hours in college. Now, for the sake of individuality and time running out, I will let you comment down below what number 3 works the best for you. See ya.